Hello, my dear students. My name is M.S. Abdul Rasul, lecturer in chemistry in Vignan Cooperative Junior College, Vatlamudi. Today we are going to discuss about the phenols chapter. In this chapter, the main contents are introduction about the phenols, nomenclature, structure of functional group, preparation of phenols, physical properties and chemical properties. Okay. Introduction of phenols. What are the phenols? Phenols are the hydroxy derivatives of benzene are said to be what? Phenol. Phenols are the hydroxy derivatives of benzene. So here the OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring are said to be phenols. In these phenols, phenol is also named as carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. Then dihydroxy derivatives of phenols are said to be benzene diols. The important derivatives of phenols are number one is aspirin. Aspirin is the acetyl salicylic acid. This aspirin formula I can write like this and COOH. This is the aspirin. Aspirin is the important medicine. Aspirin. Second important medicine is what? Paracetamol. Paracetamol formula 4-hydroxy estanilide. 4-hydroxy estanilide. These two are the most important derivatives of phenol. Paracetamol, this one. Paracetamol. Right, understand? Okay. Nomenclature of phenols. Phenol means a hydroxy derivative of benzene. Benzene. This is the what? Benzene ring. This will be hydroxy group. This is the common name of phenol is common name. Common name is accepted by IUPAC system also. Some substituted phenols are like this. Methyl substituted phenols. Methyl what? Second position we can say it as what? Cresol, orthocresol, and second one is metocresol. Second one is metocresol. That means what? CH3 group is at 1,3 position, metocresol, and third one is paracresol. Paracresol means CH3 group is at 1,4 position, paracresol. So these are the what? 2-methylphenol. The IUPAC name is what? 2-methylphenol. This one is 3-methylphenol. 3-methylphenol, and this one is 4-methylphenol. Next, dihydroxy derivatives of phenol are at 1-2 positions. This one is said to be what? Catechol. Catechol is the 1,2 dihydroxy benzene diol. Second one is 1,3 position. So OH group is at first position and third position. Then we can say it resorcinol, and 1,4 position of OH groups. Then we can say hydroxyquinone. Right, understand? This one is the 1,2 benzene diol, and this one is 1,3 benzene diol, and this one is 1,4 benzene diol. Structure of phenol. Structure of functional group. So I draw the structure of phenol like this. In this one we have to say here OH group, alternative pi bonds. This OH group, CO bond length is 136 pm, and COH bond angle is 109 degrees. right? Why it is 109 degrees? Oxygen atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. So here bond length between the CO bond length in phenol is less when compared with what methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol CO bond length. CO bond length is what 142 pm, but CO bond length in phenol is 136 pm. Why? Because oxygen get a double bond character. This pi electrons goes to here and form a double bond. So due to double bond, the bond length will be reduced. Right? Understand? Preparation of phenols. Preparation of phenols. First one is from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene formula you know very well. This one is what chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene is treated with sodium hydroxide at 673 kelvins of temperature. Then we will get here phenol is obtained direct. Direct phenol is not obtained, but sodium phenoxide is formed, which again reacts with what HCl to form phenol. So this is the first method of preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is heated with NaOH at 673 kelvins of temperature, gives sodium phenoxide, which is again treated with HCl, then we will get phenol. This is the first method of preparation of phenol. Next, from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene, first of all, we have to make benzene sulfonic acid. It can be done. Benzene is heated with oleum. Oleum is the mixture of sulfuric acid and SO3. Then we will get here benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid formula C6H5SO3H. This benzene sulfonic acid is treated with what NaOH and H plus gives phenol. This is the second preparation of phenol. Benzene sulfonic acid. The name of compound, intermediate compound is benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Right? Understand? Phenol can be prepared from diazonium salt. How diazonium salt is obtained here? When aniline is heated with aniline formula C6H5NH2. This aniline is heated with sodium nitrate and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade temperature. Then we will get here benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride C6H5N2Cl. Here N2 plus and Cl minus. Then this benzene diazonium chloride is treated with water, warmed water. Then we will get here phenol. Phenol means C6H5OH plus N2 is formed. This phenol can be prepared. Phenol can be prepared when benzene diazonium chloride is heated with water. This benzene diazonium chloride is obtained from phenol, from aniline. Aniline is heated with sodium nitrate and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade is most important condition. Why? Because this is the at lower temperature only benzene diazonium chloride is stable. Benzene diazonium chloride is stable. Right? Understand? Next, from cumene. Fourth method of preparation from cumene. Cumene is the isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene is said to be cumene. Cumene is the common name. This cumene is subjected to air oxidation. Then we will get here cumene hydroperoxide. this cumene hydroperoxide again heated with acid H plus ion, then you will get phenol OH group plus acetone is the byproduct. Acetone is also byproduct. This one is the acetone ever, and this one is the phenol, and this one is the cumene hydroperoxide. And this one is the water cumene. So how can we prepare the water phenol from cumene? Cumene is the isopropyl benzene. This cumene is subjected to air oxidation. We will get a cumene hydroperoxide as the intermediate compound which is subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of acid gives phenol, and acetone is the product. Right, understand?